By default, all items in the system can be located or stored at any of the locations set up for the company. But if I want to change that, perhaps I want to say that this item that we're looking at now, the Chef Anton's Cajun seasoning, perhaps I only want to stock that in a particular location, a particular warehouse. I can do that by using the Locations tab, which is located below the item. Now, essentially, if I see no checks in here, that's basically telling the system that this item is accessible anywhere. It can be stored anywhere. But if I decide to say that I only want to sell or stock this item in my Seattle warehouse, I can simply click that item, and that basically limits where that item could be received into. So in the purchasing process, in the ordering process, this information is considered, and the system will not let me, for example, subsequently receive in this Chef Anton's Cajun seasoning into my San Diego warehouse. I can even go more granular than that. Below each of these locations are my individual bins. Now, this is a simple example where we've got 4 warehouses in different parts of the world, and within each of those 4 warehouses we have 4 bins. One is a receiving zone, meaning that it's just an area, perhaps a taped off area of the receiving dock where the truck comes in and the items are temporarily sitting there, and then subsequently they're moved back into the storage bins within the system. So I could just say that this item is only allowed in a certain bin. And that may come in handy with certain perishable items, for example. So if I've got something that needs to be refrigerated, bin 2 may be in fact a refrigerator unit, whereas bin 3 may just be some shelving. So I can further set those attributes. In a moment we'll look at how to configure the warehouse, the locations, the bins, and set up all those properties. But from the materials perspective, this is where I would go to establish where a material can be stored. And again, if there are no settings, that tells the system that this item can be stored anywhere. But once I start making specific assignments to my locations, then that limits where an item can be stocked throughout the system.